Very good morning to dear students. After a long time, we came here to meet to take a class for the fifth semester. Software testing and quality assurance is my done paper. Already have sent to you all the syllabus paper. In this class, we are going to introduce basic concepts of the software testing and quality assurance. Outline of this chapter, we observe that the quality revolution, software quality, role of testing, verification and validation, failure, error, fault and defect, the notion of software reliability, the objectives of testing, what is test case, expected outcome, the concept of complete testing, the central issue in testing, testing activities, testing will, source of information for test selection, white box and black box testing, test planning and test design, monitoring and measuring test execution, test tools and automation, test team organization and management. In this class, we take the first four topics: quality revolution, software quality, role of testing, verification and validation. The first one is the quality revolution. We know that the revolution is the continuous, the changing from the beginning to whatever the till today. The quality. What is quality? We know that the quality is the product, whatever it may be, software product or any other product, like any commodity, like manufacturing missions or whatever it may be, we have to check the quality. How can we check the quality? Quality is checked by testing the performance of the product. In this, we have observed one cycle. It's known as a Shewhart cycle or PDCA cycle. And in the testing or in the quality checking, we have the four steps: the plan, do, check, act. So PDCA, P for plan, D for do and C for check and act. Plan. What is planning? We know that planning is the establish the objective and process to deliver the results. Do, implement the plan and measure its performance. Check, assess the measurements and report the results to decision makers. And act, decide on changes needed to improve the process. PDCA or Shewhart cycle illustrate the activity sequence: setting goals, assigning them to measurable milestones, assessing the progress against the milestones, take actions to improve the process in next cycle. In 1954, Juran spurred the move from SQS to TQC, Total Quality Control. Key elements of TQC: quality comes first, not short-term profits. The customer comes first, not the producer. Decisions are based on facts and data. Management is participatory and respectful of all employees. Management is driven by cross-functional committees. An innovative methodology developed by Ishikawa called cause and effect diagram. Ishikawa diagram. In the evolutionary quality revolution, we observe the two diagrams: Shewhart cycle or PDCA cycle. Second one is the Ishikawa diagram. Ishikawa diagram represents the TQC, total quality control. In this diagram, we observe that materials, missions, methods and measurements. So total quality, and whatever the quality is depending on the materials, missions, methods and measurements. Quality revolution. So National Broadcasting Corporation of United States broadcast a documentary, If Japan Can, Why Can't We, on June 24th, 1980. leaders in United States started emphasizing on quality. In 1987, Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Award was introduced in USA, similar to the Deming Prize in Japan. In Baldrige National Award, the quality is viewed as something defined by the customer. In Deming Prize, the quality is used as something defined by the producer by conformance to specification. So, software quality, 5 views of software quality. So, we can see the software quality in 5 views: transcendental view, user's view, manufacturing view, product view, value based view. Software quality in terms of quality factors and criteria. A quality factor represents behavioral characteristics of a system. Example: correctness, reliability, efficiency, and testability. A quality criterion is an attribute of a quality factor that is related to software development. Example: modularity is an attribute of software architecture. Quality models. Examples: we know that already listen the ISO standard. CMM stands for capability maturity model, and TPI and TMM. Role of testing. Software quality assessment divided into 2 categories. We know that static analysis and dynamic analysis. Static analysis, it examines the code and reasons overall behavior that might arise during runtime. Example: code review, inspection, and algorithm analysis. Dynamic analysis, actually program execution to expose possible program failure. One observes some representative program behavior and reach conclusion about the quality of the system. Static and dynamic analysis are complementary in nature. Focus is to combine the strengths of both approaches. Verification and validation. Verification, building the product correctly. Validation, building the correct road. So it seems to be similar and it has little difference. Verification is evaluation of software system that help in determining whether the product of a given development phase satisfying the requirements established before the start of that phase. So satisfy the requirements of the products. Validation, evaluation of a software system that help in determining whether the product meets its intended use. So by this we close this class. Next we will meet in the next tomorrow. Thank you.